All right. Now we're doing 7Q Season 2, Alphabetically Ordered. This is by Ryakyal, and 91% of the people like it. So our task is very simple. You're not lying. We're just going to write a function that takes an input string of lowercase letters and returns true or false depending on whether the string is in alphabetical order or not. Here's an example. Kata is false because A comes after K here, but it should be in front. And ant is true because all characters are in alphabetical order. Good luck, and then here's some more kata right here. So this one, yeah, it's pretty simple. We're just going to say const here, alphabetic equals S, and then we're going to turn the rest of this into an arrow. We'll come down here and say console.log, and then right here we'll start. So let's see what S looks like. It's probably going to start with, well, let's just see what it looks like. I don't even want to bother scrolling down. So we got ASD right here. This is not in alphabetical order because the S needs to be after the D to be in alphabetical order. So to check if this is or not, what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a, we're going to put each one of these, oh, excuse me. We're going to put each one of these, what is this, characters in its own element in an array. So first we're going to wrap this up in brackets. Let's test it out, see what it looks like. So we've got the word, whatever you call this, the string itself in an array. But we're going to put this one, and this one in its own element. So to do that, we're going to say ... in front of it using the spread syntax. I'll have a link in the description. And now this looks like this. All right. So to put it in order, what we're going to do is we're going to use this sort method. And again, the link is going to be in the description for that. And we're just going to say .sort. We don't even have to do it in an expression in here to make it do anything. Let's test this out. The D should be before the S once we push test. And it is. And then we're going to put .join like this. Here's the join link in the description. And then test it out. So we've got ADS right now. So now we're just going to say this needs to equal whatever S is. Clearly this is going to be false, but that's what we're looking for, false, false. So since we got that, let's get rid of the console.log, test it out again. Looks good, attempt it. There we go, and submit it. All right. So we got Joe who codes and pretty much did the same thing. Use the split method. I don't like using the split method unless like we're splitting by like a colon or splitting by specific letters. If we're just splitting up a string into an array, you know, just splitting it up into an array where each character is in its own element. I like using the spread syntax. It's just a couple of fewer keystrokes, and I think it looks cooler. And then here, pretty much the same thing as this one. This one here, using an if statement, if, you know, I don't even want to go through this. I don't even want to go through this. I mean, it's 2023. If statements, see ya. I mean, you know, we're going to have to use these once we get into, like, Python. I don't know, like C++. I don't even know when we're actually going to have to use these. I'm pretty sure methods are the way. But whatever. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's go to mine. Just me on this one. Best practice, in my opinion. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.